In this video, we will show you how to use the Hahnair Quick Check tool. Hahnair has over 350 partner airlines that travel agents can issue in their GDS when using the validating carrier HR. But how do you know which airlines are available in your market? To verify that a certain airline can be issued on a Hahnair ticket, you can use our convenient Quick Check tool. Just visit hahnair.com. You'll see the Quick Check right away. Enter your country and the carrier you want to check. You can also check the availability of combinations of airlines by entering several carriers. And you can download a complete partner list for your market. If the airline is available for ticketing in your market, you will see a big green yes. You will also see additional information regarding accepted payment methods, GDSs, and some additional important remarks. Please read everything carefully. At the end of the page, you have the option to print the result, download it, or send it to yourself by email. For any questions about a Hahnair ticket, you can contact our service desk at service@hahnair.com. Thank you for your attention.